Magandang araw mga kaibigan. So para sa ating episode for today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-repair at mag-transfer ng gauge sa isa pang gauge cluster. So this one will be our donor gauge cluster. So RPM or the tachometer, the fuel, the temperature, and the speedometer are all working. Pero kung mapapansin natin, medyo sira na siya. So yun, meron na siyang hinang. Mapapansin nyo dito, may hinang na yung circuit board natin. And putol-putol na rin yung kanyang wirings. But definitely, all gauges are working. So basag na rin yung kanyang cover. So yan, kailangan natin palitan to. So ito yung magiging donor natin. So this one is yung ginagamit ko sa ngayon. So gumagana ng tachometer, fuel, and temperature. But the problem is this one, the speedometer. So kung mapapansin nyo, directly na siyang vertical. So sira na siya. So yun, kung mapapansin nyo yung likod ng circuit board natin, walang damage. That's why ito yung gagamitin natin na circuit board. Okay, so please stay tuned and watch. And please subscribe to my channel para sa ating mga susunod na video. And we will now continue sa ating repair. So yan, unahin natin baklasin to. So as you can see, we have plastic tabs. Hindi natin kailangan ng screwdriver pa. So we have plastic tabs na nag-hold dun sa gauge cluster natin. So yun, we can do it by hand. So yan, pull the tabs. And then yun, so tanggalin natin yung ilaw para ma-access natin yung loob. Take care of that cover kasi yun yung gagamitin natin. And basically, ang gagawin lang natin dito is i-retain natin lahat ng component nitong aking gamit sa ngayon na gauge cluster, and papalitan lang natin lahat ng kanyang gauge. For our speedometer, we have 4 screws. For tachometer, 3 screws. Fuel, 3. And also 3 for the temperature. So unahin natin is the speedometer. After natin matanggal yung 4 screws, so pwede na natin tanggalin yung ating speedometer. So this is the speedometer natin. Next, sunod natin yung sa ating fuel and temperature. Ingatan nyo lahat ng inyong screws kasi nga bawala yan kasi gagamitin natin lahat yan. As much as possible, keep it safe. Okay, this one is our fuel gauge and temperature gauge. Papalitan na rin natin to. Ang gagamitin natin is yung galing dun sa isa, since gusto ko sana is para pareho yung kanya maging gauge face dun sa yung maging pula. Yan, so yan, ito naman yung sa ating tachometer, also 3 screws. So what remain is our circuit board saka yung ating back cover. Now let's proceed with the donor gauge cluster. So same process, tanggalin lang natin yung mga tabs na nakakonect. So medyo nahirapan ako dito kasi medyo matigas siya. So hindi na natin gagamitin yung cover mist kasi nga sira na at basag na. So same process for 4 screws para sa ating speedometer. Tanggalin natin yun ang unahin natin, yung 4 screws. Now this is our speedometer na gagamitin natin. This one is perfectly working. So sunod na natin yung fuel and yung temperature gauge. Again, take care of your screws. Hindi natin gugustuhin mawala yan. Again, for this one, ito yung ating fuel, and temperature gauge. Sunod natin yung tachometer natin. So, this one is our tachometer. Ito na rin yung gagamitin natin para dun sa ating final na gauge. So, yun. Pwede na nating i-transfer yung ating nakuha ng mga gauges, yung ating donor gauge, papunta dun sa ating original or yung ating ginagamit sa ngayon na gauge cluster. So, yun lang. Pagbabalik, unahin natin yung 4 na screws. Those screws are 1 for positive, 1 for negative, 1 for odometer, and 1 is for the speedometer. Next is the tachometer. Again, it has 3 screws, 1 for positive and 1 for negative, and the other one is for the signal for the tachometer. So yun, balik na natin gamit yung ating screws. Okay, next one. Next one is our fuel and temperature gauge. Make sure na naka-line up yung hole ng ating gauge dun sa ating casing. So, always be careful with the needle. So, kasi sobrang tanda na ng ating mga gauge ng ating mga sasakyan, medyo brittle na yung mga needle natin. So always be wary of the needles kasi madaling maputol yan. Wag yung hahawakan or gagamitin yung pang tuon or pang push kasi nga one slight mistake mapuputol yan. Okay, so let's assemble na. So, ibalik natin yung face. Ito yung mismong nakikita natin sa harap. Ito yung mismong cover ng ating gauges. Make sure na nakalock. Okay, then balik na natin. Ito yung cover ng ating ginagamit sa ngayon na gauge cluster. Okay, pop lang natin kasi nga naka plastic tabs lang naman siya. Since kulang yung aking mga lights dito sa aking ginagamit na gauge cluster ngayon, so kumuha ako ng mga lights galing dun sa ating donor. So yan, pinuno ko na lahat ng missing lights. And so we are ready for installation. So, paano ba ito install? So, we have two connectors. One on the right and one on the middle. So, hindi naman kayo magkakamali ng pagko-connect kasi it will only go one way. So, isang direction lang pwede pumunta. So, hindi magkakasya yung isa dun sa isa kasi masyadong mas maliit. And, ayun. Hindi kayo magkakamali dyan. So, dalawa lang naman yung connectors. So, ito, try lang natin. All lights are working. Hazard. Brake light. So, to install, meron lang tayong 4 na screws. So, isa dito sa taas. Isa sa left, upper, right lower, and left lower. So, 4 na screws lang yung nag-hold sa kanya. So yun, balik natin yung mismong cover ng ating gauge. So this one naman, we have 4 screws. 2 screws. Meron dalawa sa taas. Okay, so we are done. So try na natin lahat ng ilaw. High-low working. Hazard working. Door lights working. So every light is working. So now we are done. Okay, so thanks for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you.